Hello and good afternoon. We are here at the stall of Citizen Solar and we are having Mr. SUNAYAN BORAH with us. Let's start this conversation knowing more about him.
Hi Rupal, very good afternoon and good day to everyone. My name is Sunayan BORAH. I am from Citizen Solar Private Limited. We are a 30-year-old group of companies. We are into solar for the last more than a decade. We started with 60 megawatt, then we escalated to 180 megawatt, and now we've got 700 megawatt of module manufacturing line. And we have a roadmap of expanding it to 1.2 gigawatt by 2025. We manufacture monoPERC, bifacial, monofacial, DCR, non-DCR, as well as TOPCon N-type.
Okay. And coming back to the company, what other segments or verticals the Citizen Solar caters?
We've got diverse business. We are into textiles. We are into publication. We have got real estate, consultancy, diverse all over the world, all across the world. We've got offices. We are headquartered in Ahmedabad. We've got a factory in Mehsana, Kadi district in Chatral.
So apart from India, what are the other countries you are working?
We have a very special series, Black on Black, where the US market looks out for. So we have display of Black on Black also, where the US look to Europe, the eastern sectors also, Africa, everywhere. Yeah.
Okay, what are your expansion plans?
We just expanded. We from 180 to 700 megawatt, and by 2025 we are upscaling it to 1.2 gigawatt of module manufacturing lines.
And
this is the only company in India as of now who's using an artificial intelligence AI technology to find out the cracks, if any, on the cells. So we are the only first company in India to employ artificial intelligence to check the solar cells so that there is no leakage or no droppage of any current.
And what is your roadmap for upcoming years?
That's what I said. We are going up to our 1.2 gigawatt, God willing, and very good support from the government. A huge market for solar module manufacturing. We are ALMM approved, BIS approved. We've got DCR as well as non-DCR, both models. And we are shipping it across India and most part of the world too.
As you said, BIS and ALM approved. So how this certification is important for manufacturers?
It's very important. Without these certifications, you won't be able to sell modules in India as well as we've got UL. We are UL certified also. That's why we can export to the US, and we've got special modules for the US also, like Black on Black.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.